I'm going to show you how to use MyFitnessPal today. So once you've downloaded the app, we'll go and open up the app, MyFitnessPal, and it'll bring you to the home page. Across the bottom you'll see there's a home tab, there's a diary tab, a progress tab, which we won't use that too much, and then a more tab. So first things first, the diary tab, this is where you'll log all your food for the day. I've got breakfast, morning snack, lunch, dinner, and post workout as my meals. That's roughly usually what I do. You can split up however you want. It's not a problem really. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to set up your goals, your calorie goals, once I give them to you each week. So how you do it is you'll go into the More tab. So in the More tab, and then we'll select Goals. And once you're in the Goals tab, we'll go down to the Calorie and Macronutrient Goals. Select that, and right, so now we're into the what calories it will say on the app for each day. So say I set your calories to, I don't know, let's say 3,000. So you select the calories bit where it says 2,500. You delete that, type in 3,000, then you have to press the tick and it'll change it to 3,000. So let's just say your carbs, proteins and fats, say, I don't know, whatever I give you, you have to try and match them up as close as you can. So say I change your carbs to 415, your protein to say 150, and your fat, we'll leave it at 83. So say that's what I set it for the week. That's what you'll aim to hit each day. Unfortunately, with the free version of MyFitnessPal, you can only get a percentage of it. You can only do it by percentages. So you'll never get the carbs, protein, and fat bang on what I give you, because they want you to pay for the full app, where you can do it up in grams on the app here. But yeah, you don't need to pay for it. It's not worth it. So get as close as you can. It's not a massive issue as long as you know in your head your calories, carbs, protein, and fat to hit each day. Then that's good enough. So tick that. Right, and now we'll go back, and that's how you log your goals for the day. Go into the diary, and you see it at the top. It's now changed to 3,000 calories for the day, and that's your aim. So now I'm going to show you how to log your food for the day. So this is what I'm going to be having for breakfast. There's my bowl, there's my clusters, and there's my yogurt. So turn on the weighing scales, place the bowl on, and turn the weighing scales on. Make sure it's in grams. I weigh everything in grams. So now it's in grams, so we can pour on the clusters. I'm aiming for 70 grams of clusters here for breakfast. A little bit more. There we go. And now I'm going to go to the back of the packet and scan the barcode so that I can log in the correct food for what it is, the coconut clusters. And now I'm going to change the serving size to 1 gram. And then I'm going to type in the number of servings, 70, because we've got 70 grams in the bowl. Now tick it at the top. Now we'll do the same again. Add food under breakfast. Press the barcode to get up the barcode again. Now start add your yogurt in. I'm aiming for 100 grams of yogurt with the clusters. A little bit more. 1 gram over. A gram here or there isn't going to make any difference, so don't worry. And I'll do the same again. Scan the barcode on the back so it gets the correct food. It might be worth just checking the barcode to the back of the packaging, the proteins, carbs, fats, to match the ones on MyFitnessPal, because they're not always exactly 100%. But yeah, just be worth checking. Now, if you turn your phone on the side, you can see what you've consumed for the day. So for the day, so far, I've had 54 carbs, 12 fat, and 11 protein, and that's what I'll be having for breakfast. And that'll show you also each meal, what each meal is worth. So it was 383 calories for that breakfast, which is pretty good, to be honest. A little bit higher protein would be nice, but it's not a bad start to the day.